Hi guys, Andy Musall here with Fresh Source Farms and FarmFlow, your last microgreen software you're ever going to need. Today I'm going to actually walk you through how to set up your referral link in FarmFlow. The easiest way to actually get here is to start under the Profile and Preferences menu and go to Referrals, and that will actually take you to this page that we're looking at now. Referrals, it's really nice because this actually allows you to basically get FarmFlow for free. Ultimately, all you have to do is get one referral per month, and as they make their payment, then it basically takes care of your costs. So you get $20 per person that you actually sign up. There's no limit, so you can sign up as many people as you would like. And the easiest way to do that is actually with your referral code. So we have a referral link here. This link is actually the link that this account would be set up to use, but as you can see, it's kind of a mix of letters and numbers. We don't really want that, so we could actually change this to whatever we'd like, assuming it's still available. So we'll just call it test account for now. And we'll go ahead and hit save. And what that's going to do is actually refresh this page. And now you'll see it says test account instead. So this is actually the URL that you would send to somebody to get them started with FarmFlow. And every time they click this URL and they sign up, it's going to mark you as their referred account. And then when their actual first payment is made, you'll automatically get your $20 sent out. And this is how you'll actually get paid. So under the next section down, we have payment options or payout options. You can put in your PayPal information, your Venmo information, your Cash App information. You don't have to put in all three. You only have to put in one if you'd like. This is only used to actually make payments to people. So we don't use it for any other reasons than that. So you can fill out this information, hit save, and it'll actually save it to the system. And then when you get referrals that actually sign up under your account, you'll actually see them listed here under your referrals. So it'll actually show their first name and their last initial. It'll show what date and time they actually signed up, and it'll also show their billing plan. It doesn't show the actual billing plan they chose, but it just tells you if they selected a billing plan. Because the only way you can actually get paid is if somebody actually selects a billing plan and they make their first payment. Once they make their first payment, then we pay you out the $20 using any of these methods that you defined here. So works out really good. It's a great way to get your account paid for. And if you see that that billing plan is empty or it says it hasn't been selected yet, then you can kind of nudge them a little bit to get them to get it fully set up. So if you have any questions about this, leave it in the comments below and I'll make sure I get address those. And if not, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys using the software. Take care.